Hey hustlers, Miles here. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we're going to discuss one simple change that can transform your business in 2019. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new here on this channel, we're all about building successful brands online for more money, more freedom, and a better future. Okay, now you're probably wondering, this is a bit of a different location to my usual office setting, and as you know, one of my big goals for this year for this channel is to put out more helpful high-level content for you guys. So I was running some errands, I had the idea for this video, I thought I'd pull over and quickly shoot it for you. So apologies if this the video quality isn't as good, but I think you're going to really love this particular video. So back to the topic. Now, in order to make more money with your Etsy store, and really transform your business in 2019, okay, you need to learn to become really passionate about your customers, okay? Now, you're probably thinking, what the hell, do you mean by that, okay? And it's gonna make complete sense by the end of this video, I promise, okay? So, I wanna, let me just explain. I wanna take you back to when I first started out online, and when I was first trying to make sales. I was trying to sell absolutely everything and anything I could, yoga pants, electronics, you name it, I've tried to sell it. And looking back, all I cared about, was making sales, okay? But what is the backbone of any business, okay? It's the customers, isn't it? Without the customers, there wouldn't be no sales, there wouldn't be any revenue, there wouldn't be a business, okay? So it wasn't until I realized that essentially all businesses are created to serve, not to take, okay? That it completely transformed and changed the way, I went about building my businesses, okay? And as soon as I realized this, I knew I had to start focusing on my customers, okay? And not the sales or the money. I would have to focus on solving real needs or problems for my customers, okay, within the kind of niches or sort of markets that I was, targeting, okay, and by giving these customers what they desired or what they needed. And as soon as I took this approach, the sales and the money followed, okay? So I think we can get very caught up as, entrepreneurs, in the numbers, and we actually forget that, each sale that you make is actually a real customer that has, believed enough in your product and your brand and your service that you're offering, and they've actually parted with that hard-earned, cash and, purchased your product. So if you make a sale, it's a pat on the back, and the same thing applies to Etsy, okay? People are buying your products for a reason, whether that's to solve a need, a want, or a desire. Your product needs to be the solution for your customer, okay? And I don't want you to think these problems have to be huge, okay? They absolutely don't. They could be as simple as someone wanting to stand out at an office party, okay? So once you understand that your store is all about your customer and you kind of adopt this mindset, it should completely transform and change the way you operate your business, or your Etsy store in this case. So the designs you add, the products you sell, the way you brand your store, absolutely all of it needs to be about your customer, okay? The main thing to remember is to just give your customers what they want or need, and the sales and money will follow, okay? So before you put up any more listings, before you make any more designs, before you actually go into any more niches, stop and think, who is this for? What need and desire does it fulfill? And why would your ideal customer buy this from you in particular, okay? If you can't answer these questions, then how can your customer answer these questions, okay? How can they answer them for themselves? So, become passionate about your customers this year. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful. If you want to learn more about, creating an Etsy store around your ideal customer that generates sales, attracts the right customers as well, I think you'll like my free Etsy masterclass. Links in the description below. It's about an hour long. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section below how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling.